Hello everyone, right now we are at IKEA. I'm going back to Malaysia soon to see the progress of our apartment, and of course that involves picking out decorations and some new stuff for the place. We've done an IKEA video before focusing more on the overall showroom and ideas. This time I want to highlight what's new with a sprinkle of other stuff that I find interesting or can be incorporated into our apartment.
When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me, but I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching.
The showroom itself was pretty much the same as the last time we were there. Most of the built-ins are on sale, so I'm guessing they will be replacing the showroom with a new design soon.
Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but
I have noticed a lot of cobalt blue and also orange in the displays. I believe those two colors are on the opposite side in the color wheel, therefore making it complementary colors.
the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me, but I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
This sofa bed also comes in a beautiful brick orange color.
You so happy, I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me.
There are quite a few additions to the stools and poofs.
You just can't control the way you feel with me, but I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
This comfy rocking chair and footstool can be purchased together or separately. This is what the brick orange sofa bed looks like in real life.
It up like it's 1999.
This paisley pattern duvet cover and pillowcases come in a few colors as well.
But I'm kinda shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
Some of the prices are even lower now due to Ramadan offers.
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking.
This pine table and chair set is such a good deal considering that it's made from solid pine.
And I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy.
We got this type of pull-out unit at our Kuala Lumpur apartment as well. It's pretty smooth.
My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me.
We're gonna be needing a couple of bar stools for our coffee/bar area.
Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
I really love this drop handle. I wish it comes in more colors.
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look
I'm quite inspired by this double mirror display. I might consider it for our middle room.
is a luxury. Also seeks your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your heels, then a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night. When we wake up still on the bedside.
This is an acoustic screen to help absorb sound in your room, especially if you have a podcast or you do voiceover like me.
Console shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy, yeah. I'm hearing you songs. Your voice leading the choir to sing. If you don't mind me asking to be heard, my heart beats with yours, so you can take me on. I'm falling deep.
I really like this 3 drawers Mnet side table. Last time I checked, it is still not available in Malaysia.
Skies and autumn leaves. Take all the chances that we need. I've been driving too long.
There are also a few new bed frame selections.
I hold your hand till it gets old and all the lights come to a close. Pillow talks a symphony. Souls connect so physically. Yeah.
I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I post. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Be my lady, oh na na, reading all the signs, ooh la la, I hear your lullaby, oh na na, and all these butterflies won't give up, 'cause you're the one, da 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 da. Pillow talks a symphony, you and I.